Now now we are going to do the third sum, that is what should be taken away from 15 to get 3.96. I'll repeat once again, what should be taken away from 15 to get 3.96. So what is the question? First you must understand the question, that is the number is 15. So what is the number is going to subtract from 15? You will get this answer 3.9. That is the question. Okay, so start the sum. That is, number is 15. 15 is a whole number. So put a point. So this is ones place, this is tens place. There is no number for tens and hundreds place. So I just put what? 0, because after the point we have 2 digits. We are going to subtract this number from 15. So that is 2 digits. So what is the number? There is no number for 15. So I put 0 in tens place as well as in hundreds place. So 0. Next we have to write 3.96. So 3.96. So one by one we have to write this number. So 3.96, 3 in ones place. Put a point. After the point we have to write 9 in the tens place, 6 in the hundreds place. So now we are going to start subtracting. Now we are going to start subtracting. So 0 minus 6, you can't get the answer. Here also 0 minus 9, you can't subtract. So we are borrowing from ones place value. So we have to borrow only one. So this 5 becomes as 4 and this 0 becomes as 10. So we have to borrow from this 10. So this becomes as 9. So here this 0, it becomes as 10. So what is the number? Now this hundreds place 0 becomes as 10. So 10 minus 6, you can get 4. So here 9 minus 9, you can get 0. So put a point. Before the point, 4 minus 3, you can get what? 1. So in tens place, you have to write as it is 1. So the answer is 11.04. So I'll repeat once again. So what should be taken away from 15 to get 3.96? That means what is the number you're going to subtract from 15? Then you will get the answer 3.96. That is the explanation of this question. So first we have to subtract what? Subtract 3.96 from 15. So first you have to write 15. So 15 is a whole number. There is no number for the decimal part. So you have to write 0 for the decimal part. Because why should I write double zeros? Even for tens place I put 0 and hundred place also I put 0. So because 3.9, after the point we have 2 digits. This is for tens place, this is for hundreds place. That is what I just put 0 for 15. Next I have to write after 15 one by one. I have to write 3.96. So 1, 5. So 5 in ones place and 1 in tens place. So 15, 5 in one place and 1 in tens place. This is the whole part. Put a point. For tens place and hundreds place I put 0. The next number is 3.96, 3 in ones place. There is no number for tens place. So no need to put 0 for this, for the whole part. Put a point. After that, tens place I have to write 9 and hundreds place I have to write 6. So now we are going to write the numbers according to the place value. Just we are going to start subtracting. So we have to subtract. So 0 minus 6, you start with the decimal part always. 0 minus 6 you can't subtract. So 0 minus 9 also you can't subtract because 0 is a smaller number. So we have to what? Subtract. We have to borrow the number from ones place, that is a whole part. So we have to borrow from ones place. Ones place we have 5. So this 5 we have to only 1 ones. So what? 1. We have to borrowing only one number. So 5 becomes as 4. So 1 once it goes to the tens place, it becomes this 0 becomes as tens. Then after that we have to borrow from tens place. So what? This 10 becomes as 9. So this hundreds place 0 becomes as 10. The 10 minus 6 you can get 4. And this 9 minus 9 you can get 0. So 4. Ones place, what is the number here? 4. So 4 minus 3 you can get 1. So in the tens place only one is here. So you just bring down the 1 because there is no number in There is no number in tens place value. So just write 1. So answer is 11.04. Answer is 11.04. This is the right answer. But what you're going to do, you have to check the answer whether the answer is right or wrong. So what you're going to do, so what is the answer? What should be taken away from 15? 15. So what is the number you're going to subtract from 15? So the answer is, subtracting number is 11.04. So that is the answer. So 11.04 you add with 3.96. Okay. You can get 4 minus 4, just add the number 4 plus 6 10 0, 4 plus 6 what 10, 4 plus 6 10, 0 carry over 1, and 9 plus 1 what again 10, again carry over 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, again 1 you bring down, the answer is 15. So you can get the answer is 15. So the answer is exactly right. So subtracting, what should be taken away from 15? So 15, that is, on one more method you can do. 15 you have to write. So subtracting number is 11.04. So if you get this answer, this question is exactly right. This is a checking method, check method 1, and this is a check method 2. Okay, see, look at this number, 0 minus 4 you can't subtract, and 0 minus 0 you can't subtract. So you have to, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is tens, and this is hundreds place. So there is no number, so you can't subtract, so you have to borrow from only in ones place. So this 5, you have, from the 5 you have to borrow only 1. So this 5 become as what, 4, and this 0 become as 10. Again you have to borrow from what, 1 tens. So this 10 become as 9. So this 0 become as 10. So 10 minus 4 you can get what, 6. 9 minus 0, 9. So 4 minus 1 you can get 3. So 1 minus 1 you can get 0. The answer is 3.96. So the answer is exactly correct. So what is the number taken away? So taken away number is from 15. So from 15 taken away number is 11.04. Whatever the answer you find out is exactly correct. So this is the check method 1, this is the check method 2. So the taken away number plus what is the answer you got it, 3.9. Get answer is 3.96. So you add this, you can get the total 15, or else, so 15 is the total. So taken away number is, you find out already, 11.04. From you have to subtract from 15 to 11.04, you have to subtract, you can get this answer is 3.96. This is also exactly right. So the answer is 11.04.